How you spend time with your partner is an excellent predictor of whether you'll work out as a couple in the long term. Many people come to therapy worried that they might not be spending enough time with their partner, and we all know that quality time with our significant other is important. However, it is crucial to understand that there is a difference between quantity time versus quality time. Quality time is all about giving undivided attention to your partner, whether you're on a walk, watching a movie, or simply sitting together, and it's an important part of any relationship and is necessary for maintaining intimacy. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 science-backed tips to make the time you spend with your partner really count. But first, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Jordan Travers. I'm a licensed clinical psychotherapist and the clinical director of Awake Therapy. If you're interested in learning more about the Awake Therapy team or me, you can click on the link in the description. If you're in need of psychological or emotional support, feel free to book an initial consultation with one of our therapists by visiting our website at www.awaketherapy.me. Okay, so let's jump right into it. The first way to get the most out of that valuable time is to be present in your hellos and goodbyes. We should all be paying more attention to how we greet and part ways with our significant other. A simple gesture like warmly saying hello or goodbye to your partner allows you to pay attention to them and reminds them of how important they are in your life. It shows that you are interested in their day and that they are cared for. In fact, studies suggest a mindful kiss has several benefits, including reducing stress levels, building a ritual of connection, and boosting mutual admiration. The next step to key quality time is to remember that couples that play together stay together. The amount of time a couple spends together doesn't play a central role in the relationship, maintenance by itself. However, what you do when you spend that time together does reflect the level of satisfaction in a relationship. Use your time with your partner wisely and ask yourself why you want to pursue a new hobby. Are both of you equally invested in pursuing this new interest? If the answer is no, then go back to the drawing board and pick something that both of you will enjoy. And last, but definitely not least, try to have sex at least once a week. Yes, sex is often a spontaneous activity, and scheduling it may seem like a dreary task. But when the time you have to give your partner is limited, it may be a good idea to slot in some in-between the sheets time. While it's not a hard and fast rule, studies have found that couples who had sex at least once a week were more satisfied in their relationship than couples who had less. Physical intimacy is an important part of a relationship and has several benefits associated with it. Similar to kissing, sex lowers stress levels and boosts oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. It can build intimacy, keep the spark alive, and improve mental and physical health. Interestingly, the study also showed that couples who had more sex were not any happier than couples who had sex once a week. So while sex can be fun and rewarding, there's no need to lose sleep over it. So in conclusion, time is a limited resource, so it makes sense to choose quality over quantity, especially when it comes to your intimate relationships. Whatever you do, make sure that you're making an effort to connect with your partner on a deeper level. It fosters intimacy, keeps the spark alive, and helps couples grow together. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's content both helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to receive updates when a new video is posted. And remember, platforms like YouTube are an excellent way to get information out to others. However, it does not take the place of individualized psychotherapy. If you're in need of mental health assistance, whether to talk through a current issue or to create a more prosperous and fulfilling life, you can book an initial consultation using the link in the description. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.